Panguva ino there is a picture, we can say a poster rinotonedzwa vakomana varakashi. Rikuonekwa kunzi vakomana they've rolled out the new transitional government of national unity. Iri kuonekwa kunzi vakomana vari kufambisa manyepo vachida kuconfuse macitizens. Vanhu zvavo vari loyal to the opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Panguva ino vachizama kuvaconvinsa kuti vambokula down. Panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti ndichiona the leader wenyika yeZimbabwe achifesa resistance. Zvari kutozivawo nezvari kuona vega. They are trying by all means to confuse the citizens. Sana kuna mashuka mdanjira pana kuno subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Timina BBC Zimbabwe one posted this picture where it's trending. Varakash for ED made this to confuse people. Stay focused. Vanoshuva Advocate Nelson Chamisa is the president. Amurukona panapa banana David Coulthard sema chief secretary a president. Nana Elizabeth Valerio the vice president. Nana Kazukuri is the vice president. Also Nana Mayer Sava the minister of justice. Panapa tiona this picture extended Ravana Muda vachipinda conversation vachipopota vachiti where is Kazukuri and where is Jonathan? And between the two, who can be a good leader? The problem with us Zimbabweans is some of us will think that ZANU-PF is the country of Zimbabwe. The point is you can support it or you support the opposition. None of the two owns Great Zimbabwe. To my fellow Zimbabweans, let's stop tribalizing. If you want your country to run a good marathon, as long as Nelson are president, it's a good idea. Zimbabwe can be great in 1 year. The incoming government of my beloved Zimbabweans, wishing them the best from Botswana. Kazukuri seems to be good. Let's not lose focus and start fighting. That's the role of Varakashi, to confuse people. We are the people. We won't be food again. Let's not be food. They just want to confuse my citizens. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.